Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
This is it. Next Saturday night, we're sending you back to the future. Your future hasn't been written yet. No one's has. Your future is whatever you make it. We're making a good one. You all right? You need help?
There's only one man who can help me. I guess you guys aren't ready for that yet. But your kids are gonna love it.
The instant the lightning strikes the tower,